Hey guys, good morning. This is Cooking with Lisa. Today we're going to do a shortcut, and this is from Pillsbury. And we're going to make, can you see? Jelly donuts from their Homestyle Southern biscuits. You're going to get an 8-ounce, it has 8 biscuits. It's in your refrigerator section at the grocery store. It's those Pillsbury biscuits. It's the Grands Homestyle Southern biscuit. And I'll show you. Instead of telling you, I'll just show you. What you're going to do next is you're going to take it's a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and you're going to melt that either in a sauce pot or the microwave. I would do it in the microwave. It's easier. Then we're going to take 3/4 cup of sugar and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, mix it together in another bowl. So basically, you're going to take the rolls out of the, going to crack it open, take them out. You don't have to shape them. Just the way they come out, stick them in the oven at 350, bake it according to the package of what they tell you to do. Immediately when they come out, I know they're going to be warm, roll them in butter. And then you're going to roll them in the the sugar mixture. I think I'm going to add a little brown sugar to mine. I don't know. It's usually white sugar when you're going to mix like that. Maybe I'll just keep it like that. White sugar with the cinnamon, mix it in there. Then they tell you to take a back of a wooden spoon, put a hole in it, and then fill it with either strawberry or raspberry jam. I'm going to use seedless raspberry jam. And I'm trying to think if I should use a little strawberry too. I don't know. But I was thinking I may just keep some and just put them in powdered sugar. I like powdered sugar too. We will see. But that is it. And we'll see how it tastes. This gets almost 5 stars. It's 4.5. All right, guys. Bye. Oh, there was one that was 3 stars. But so nah. But I would always be a guinea pig and try something if you asked me to. And cook it for you. All right, bye. I don't think I told you how you could fill your donuts. You could either use a pastry bag. They even have cheap ones in the baking aisle at your grocery stores. I mean, cheap ones. Actually, you could use it a couple times and throw it away. Or you could take one of your Ziploc bags, put it in there, cut the corner off, stick it in the donut, and just squeeze. All right. Guys, here's your Pillsbury, here's your Grand Rolls. This is for the jelly donuts. We're going to do it for $3.50, and I think for 16 minutes, so I'll start mine at, I guess 13 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Hey, guys. Here's the brown sugar. It's the cinnamon, not brown sugar, and white sugar. You can add as much cinnamon as you want or as little. I put in another quarter of a teaspoon. So I did 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I did not think a half a teaspoon was enough. It reminds me of those apple cider donuts you get during the fall. Or if you ever go for like a hayride and they sell hot apple cider and those warm donuts. That's what that tastes like. Here's my butter. It's melted. Here's the bowl for it, but I'm just waiting for them to come out in case I have to heat this up again. I'm keeping it in this. All right, I'll be back and show you what we do next. Hey guys, the biscuits just came out of the oven. Excuse the arm. This is what they look like. This is for the jelly donuts. Again, Southern Homestyle. But can I just show you something real quick? Isn't this cute for $1 at the dollar store? It's a big platter. I'm going to put them, well, actually, I'm going to put mine with the seafood on that, her shrimp. So I'm going to, this is butter. Okay, this is butter. We're just going to submerge the whole thing, roll it around, bottom, top, sides, everything, guys. Right? This is your powdered sugar mixture right here. Okay? Completely heavily coat this. All inside like this. All sides. Okay? So I'm going to just put this down for now. I'm going to do all of them. I'll do one more. And then, isn't this cute? Got this at the grocery store from Smart Living. It's cheap. Let me show you. It's cheap. But, guys, it's a little pastry bag. How cute is this? I filled it up with about a 12-ounce jar of raspberry jam. It has to be jam. You could do strawberry. You could do, actually, if you like blueberry, apricot, whatever flavor you like, you do it. And I'm going to poke this in. I'll show you. Let me just continue. I'll do one more. Excuse the arm. We're going to put it in the butter, right? Bottom, top, and all the sides. It's just melted butter. Then I'm going to stick it in the sugar. It's a sugar and cinnamon mixture. 3/4 cup sugar to, I did more than a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So just pack it all in there, nice and heavy. This is a jelly donut. Okay. Guys, I will be back. Well, let me film doing it one now. Okay, the jelly donut. You could put in about a tablespoon. I'm going to do more. So I inserted it, and then I'm going to squeeze. And I can feel it getting bigger. Yes, I can. Right in my hand. Okay, guys. Oh, that's enough. All right, we'll be back. Guys, here are the jelly donuts. Yeah, okay. I thought it was a little messy trying to fill them, even though that thing looked like it would work perfect. It fit right in there. But I don't know why it doesn't matter. But here, I tasted one. Ken, what did you think?
It's good. Very good.
It was. But you know what? Yeah, it was good. So, yeah, definitely. You know, and it was easy to do, for goodness sakes. Right? So, okay, guys. That's them.